Welcome back. North India continues to reel under severe dense fog conditions. Delhi eyes have woken up to a rather foggy Sunday morning with minimum temperature recorded at 10.8 degrees Celsius. A thick blanket of fog continues to cover Delhi sky as we speak, lowering the visibility to 100 meters and affecting traffic movement. The IMD has blamed easterly winds and a cloud cover over the city. The weatherman has predicted dense to moderate fog in the national capital for the next 4 days to come. In fact, the temperature is also going to be dipping further and cold wave is going to start again in Delhi. Up in the hills of Kashmir, Srinagar received fresh heavy snowfall disrupting normal lives. Road and air connectivity is badly affected. Srinagar has recorded 0.2 degrees Celsius. An avalanche warning has been issued in hilly areas of Kashmir after yesterday's and today's snowfall.
After the Saturday's heavy snowfall across the Kashmir Valley, once again the Valley of Kashmir is cut off from the rest of the world. Not only the Srinagar-Jammu highway is closed due to this heavy snowfall, in fact, no flights could land in the Srinagar on Saturday. Now today, on Sunday, the air base and the runway is being cleared on the Srinagar airport so that air traffic could resume on Sunday. In fact, the Met Department has said that the weather will improve from Sunday across the Kashmir Valley. There will be the improvement in the day temperatures, but the night temperatures will further decline. And also the avalanche warning has been issued in the all hilly areas of the Kashmir Valley. The avalanche rescue teams had been geared up so that in any case of snow avalanches in the hilly areas of Kashmir, these teams could reach to the rescue. And in fact, the snowfall during this winter in the Kashmir Valley is the heaviest snowfall in many years, in fact in decades, and the normal life in the Kashmir Valley has completely got disturbed due to this heavy snowfall, not only here in the Srinagar but in fact mostly in the hilly and far-flung areas of the Kashmir Valley. With Rauf Ahmed Ashrafani for India Today in Srinagar.
There is no respite from the cold waves, and now the fog is adding to the woes in Delhi and NCR as the western disturbance brought by western Himalayan region and snowfall in the upper region. The plains continue to suffer from cold waves, and look at the situation of fog as this has killed the visibility. In the busy areas like Noida, Greater Noida West, the Noida extension has reduced less than 500 meters. And even if you look at the laborers, those who are working on this 24, 25, 5-story towers, that's hardly visible. So that has how the western disturbance has affected the visibility. If you move on the national highways, that really need to be very careful as the visibility has gone even less than 200 meters. And certainly there is also adverse impact on the temperature as the mercury level has dropped in this region even less than 12-11 degrees. At the moment I'm in Noida, Greater Noida West, Noida extension area, this is where the temperature is now 11 degree recorded. And indeed the fog, why the vehicles have to turn their fog lamps on because of the poor visibility on these stretches. In the most occupied and busiest area, the visibility is up to 500 meters. Beyond this, on the national highways or the state highways, of course, the visibility has reduced even less than 200 meters. The weather department has predicted the situation to continue for next 48 hours. Will there be mercury level further drop and would certainly affect even the visibility as there will be dense layer of fog across NCR and the plains like states in Haryana and Punjab. But for now, in Noida, with Alok Das, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.